This is an update on Bitcoin cryptocurrency here on the Daily Interval. Each kind of represented day here, and we are starting to become to backtest that 1940 key 1949 price support here with multiple continuous reactionary lows and highs to help validate that. And really what had happened is we ended up testing, had a false breakdown, put in a bear trap, came back out and briefly consolidated, put in a 3 black crow continuation pattern, came back out, back tested for a whole week. There's an objective long trade entry on a double digit rally, and again almost to the button here, that 22.7065 price resistance on my key level got rejected, and we have stair-stepped and almost completely erased the gains off that key level. Again, we had this falling 3 method pattern. We put in a sell signal, it crashed 40%, never looked back, consolidated briefly, put in a stunning evening doji star bearish continuation pattern, broke down, put in a sell signal, and we never looked back, crashed another 40 or so percent, and here we go, stair-stepped higher, put in a huge 3 black crow continuation pattern, which I believe has a higher probability to play out than these previous 2 continuation. You just put the higher, definitely set for a higher probability in the odd department if it does go down. But I truly believe that if we break down this 1949 price support, we'll put in a secondary sell signal, especially on a solid candle red candle close, maybe even a back test, and I truly believe we'll start to retest that primary uptrend line that I have been talking about for quite some time now, which in my opinion would spell for a huge bear market if broken. Once we break that key level, I truly believe on a back test we'll go down to stair step that 12.506, really where it gets really interesting here. I'll zoom in here on the 4-hour interval, 240 minutes, each kind of reps in an hour now, and here we are, broke down. We ended up going long here on that back test. Here's that 1949 price support here on the daily, and an uptrend line here off the mid-June lows, multiple continuous reactionary lows to help validate that. We are in a key pivotal inflection point now, and a solid breakdown coinciding with that 1949 price support. I believe not only will start to become more clear that we could potentially burn out these positive divergences and or bullish divergences. If we burn those out, which will really take out, this is your key level to watch, that 1879 price support. If that's breached again and taken out, I truly believe that the odds are starting to increase that we take out the undercut the previous lows there. And if we undercut the previous lows there, that 1769 price support, I truly believe we'll start to burn out any positive divergences that we could have potentially had, and we'll go on to stair step to that primary uptrend line. Again, if you're bullish here, set some stops below this 1949 price support, and you want to take a shot for this uptrend and still gun for that breakout. That's exactly what it is. Bull traders want to step in right now, right here. Set some stops below depending on your risk tolerance, and try to gun for a breakout to the upside. And short traders, and bear traders want to wait down for that breakdown sell signal on a back test down some below. So we'll see what happens. Anything's possible. You can set up a straddle formation on any of your potential contracts, but take it for what it is. These are your key levels. Keep you updated if I see any more significance in the charts.